Hi everybody, this is CR number 4, helper video number 3. We're going to get right to it. It says if R equals 54, I'm going to circle that. That looks like pretty important information there. Find the value of Q in the equation Q equals R divided by 3 minus 5. Well, the important thing here is to know that we have a value for R right here. So that value for R is now going to come over here into this equation and take the place of what R is. So I'm going to go ahead down here. I'm going to rewrite it. So we have Q equals, and we now know what R is. We're going to replace it with the R value of 54. And this is called substitution. We're substituting R in for 54 because that's what it is. Divided by 3 minus 5. Now, if you did order of operations, we don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents. The next step would be multiplication and division in that order, going left to right. So as I go left to right, I have no multiplication, but I do have some division. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 54 and divide it by 3. And hopefully some of you guys know how to do long division, but you can always use a calculator. 3 goes into 5 once. 5 minus 3 is 2. Remember to bring down that 4. And 3 goes into 24 8 times. So that value now becomes Q equals, remember 54 divided by 3, we just figured was 18, minus 5. So 18 minus 5, I hope you're all saying, is 13. So guess what that value is? B, 13. Go ahead and try number 3.